Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today, we're going to reball and reinstall the Wi-Fi IC on an iPhone 12 that has no Wi-Fi signal. First, we check inside the settings. The Wi-Fi option is grayed out, which means the Wi-Fi is not working. So, we power off the phone and start disassembling it. After removing the display, we disconnect all flex cables and take out the logic board. Then we place the logic board on a preheater platform. This helps warm up the board evenly and makes it easier to separate layers safely. Once it's heated, we remove the board and start working on the USI Wi-Fi IC. Using a hot air gun, we gently heat the IC area and use a thin metal blade to loosen the adhesive around it. When the solder melts, we carefully lift the IC from the board. Next, we clean the IC area using cotton and flux, removing all leftover solder. Then we clean the IC itself, apply a bit of flux, and gently remove old solder until the surface looks clean. Now we place a reballing stencil on top of the same IC and spread solder paste over it. After that, we lift the stencil and heat the chip so the solder balls form perfectly. Once cooled, we apply a small amount of flux on the board and on the IC. Then place it back in its original position. We reflow it with hot air until the solder bonds and the IC sits firmly in place. After that, we put the logic board back on the preheater platform to settle the solder joints. Then we reassemble the phone, connect everything back, and power it on. Finally, we go into settings. The Wi-Fi is now active and working perfectly again. That's the Wi-Fi IC reballing and reinstallation process on the iPhone 12. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to Noor Telecom.